Hello guys, this is the third problem of homework 5. The acrylic plastic rod is 200 millimeters long and 10 millimeters in diameter. Letter A, if the axial load P is 350 newtons is applied to it, determine the change in its length. So we know that the change in its length is the load times the original length over modulus of elasticity times area. So we know that the changing length is our load, 350 newtons, times the original length, 200 millimeters, over modulus of elasticity, 2.7 times 10 to the 9, that's giga, times area, P over 4, times 10 times 10 to the minus 3 to convert to meters square. So we have the change of our length AB equals 0.330 millimeters. So this is the change in our length. Now letter B, determine the change in its diameter. So the first step to find the change in diameter, we have to find the strain, the axial strain. The axial strain is the change in length over the original length. So we know our axial strain equals 0.330 millimeters over 200 millimeters. So our axial strain equals 1.65 times 10 to the minus 3 millimeters over millimeters. Now the second step is find the relationship between the Poisson ratios, strain over axial strain. So we know our strain equals Poisson's ratio times the axial strength minus. We know that the change of diameter over original diameter is our strain equals minus our Poisson ratio times axial strain. So we know our change of diameter is minus 0.4, our Poisson's ratio, times 1.65 times 10 to the minus 3, that's our axial strength, times 10 millimeters, that's our original diameter. So we know our change in diameter equals minus 6.60 times 10 to the minus 3 millimeters. This is a straightforward exercise. Is just plug our equations.